Hello, beauty and handsome. Welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail injector, and today I want to share with you this candle product. You can look at it here. And if you're interested about this one, please follow me. Let's check the details for this one. We package it with the VCI anti-rust bags, and on this part there had the label, right? And on the first of the label, you can see these Shumatt logos. Actually, we have the other. If you want to print with your own logos, you can contact us, and we can supply you the customized services, like the logo, the label, and the packaging bags and so on. On this part, you can see this is a product code F00RJ01278. The application inject model number is 0445120054 and 0451200057. On this part, it's the QR code and other informations on the label. Okay, let's check the details. Wow, that's our product. It's really surprise, right? Actually, we have two types of our packages. We have this one and that one. And today I will show you this one. Let's check the details first. Wow, this we packed with oil paper. I like oil paper. This is the small one in the inside. Actually, we not only seal in the whole side, but also we seal in the separate part. If you want the separate part, like the valve cap, and for the valve cap, with here some coating with the letters here, this is a valve roll. For valve roll, we have different size, we have different lengths, and if you want other sizes, you can contact us. Okay, that's all the details I want to share you today. And I want to tell you about our product warranties. About the warranty, we have the 6-month warranties. During this time, if you are not satisfied with the quality, you can contact us, return it, we can exchange the product for you. And here, Caitlin have several small tips want to share with you. If you want to clean it, please clean it with oil, okay? And if you want to install it, you'd better to make sure the valve cap can be in the right position and the valve roll can be moved smoothly. Okay, that's all the details I want to share you today. Each week we will have different videos and live show on the Facebook and YouTube account. If you like our videos, please focus on our channel and follow us. Feel free to contact us, okay? Except that we also supply the injector, the nozzle, the repair kit, the pumps, the parts for the pumps, yes. Any items, if you are interested, please contact us. Okay, so much for today's product introduction. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Love you guys.